Hello YouTube and welcome to Inside Electronics, and in today's episode let's unbox and take a first look at a cheap SMD soldering iron that I bought from eBay. And this one I bought for rupees 430 as you can see here, and I got it delivered on 10 to 2017, but it took me so long to unbox it for so many reasons. But the reason, and it is completely sealed, I haven't yet opened it as you can see here. So let's see what's inside, and just like you that I'm also seeing what's inside for the first time. So why I bought this particular item is because when I've been through the listing of all the SMD soldering irons that are cheap, I saw a lot of options, but every other cheap soldering irons are only sold like 10 less than 10 most of the times, but this one in particular has sold more than 230 of them. So I thought, why not just go for it. And actually I had a coupon available when buying this, so I got it for a much cheaper price than 430 rupees. I think actually I got it for something like 350 rupees. So I don't know, let's unbox it and just, okay, this is not doing any good. Let's just cut, okay, that's fine. Finally we're inside, kind of. Okay, let me pause for a moment and I will be back after unboxing it. So that's, I opened the side, let's pull it out from the package, and there's nothing on it, nothing inside apart from this. And there is something here which I think is the purchase bill. Let me check. Yes, it is the shipping address, and yes, it is the regular kind of stuff that they give you, I think. And this is the actual product that I want to take a look at. So let's quickly open up the tape. So let's do the other side as well. And I think they're in. Yes, we are, but look at some still some sides come out, which boxing right now. So this is the actual item itself. This is the warranty SMD soldering iron, as you can see here, and look what happened. This thing is poking out right out of the box. So let's open the package, and before going on, let's see if there's anything special inside. Oh, there it is. Look at the placement of those two extra bits that you get with it. They're giving you 2 extra bits for free, but look at the positioning. It's really cheap. It's really cheap for the price, and bloody. So that's how cheap it can get. That is the SMD soldering pen, which is really cheap. I can actually feel this feels like holding you onto a sponge or something. This is really cheap. This is dirt cheap, I think. This, oh my god. And oops, here is the, oops, the screw is loose. I can actually turn that with my fingernails. You can see that screw is loose, and there's a potentiometer to adjust because it's moving around. That there are things falling apart already. You can, I got a washer from inside. So this is funny. Let's move the cover to the side and take a look at the product itself. See the plastic quality. This is absolutely cheap. This is dirt cheap. I don't even think that this is worth 400 something rupees that they charge you for, but since I got it for a much cheaper price. See, you can even see that screws are all loose, and maybe I will do a tear down video of this really soon. So this is how it plugs in, and that didn't even work well. And you can adjust the temperature, and that is the soldering iron, that is the variety soldering iron. So in the next video I will definitely do a tear down of this cheap SMD iron, and I will let you know how it actually looks and how it actually feels like to solder with this thing. So that's your cheap, that's your dirt cheap variety soldering iron. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.